Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Simply Kani. A big love to all of my subscribers, and if you are new on my channel then quickly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell icon so that you will be notified every time I put up a video. Now quickly let us get into this video where I am creating a really bold copper eyes with pink graphic liner. So let's get into the video without wasting much time. So I'm going to be starting off with color correction, and I'm using the Swiss Beauty Cover Studio concealer palette. I'm taking the orange color corrector from this palette and applying all over the places where I have got hyperpigmentation. So this is mostly around my mouth and a little bit under my eyes to cover the dark circles. I'm also using this color corrector in the hollows of my cheek where it also gets dark for most of us, but we happen to ignore it. As the next step, I'm going to be applying a little bit of concealer over all of the places where I have color corrected, and this concealer shade is really close to my skin shade. You can even take a little bit darker. This will help me achieve a even skin tone. Moving on, I'm going to be applying foundation, and I'm using a Wet n Wild stick foundation, and this has got a really amazing coverage, and it is also kind of heavy, so you can use it with a light hand. You can build the coverage if it is required. So since it is very heavy and thick, it is not easy to blend, so I'm going to be using a little bit of fixing spray. Then I'm going to be using a round brush and blending the foundation into my skin. I'm going to be using the same stick foundation on my neck as well, and going to blend it in as well so that the shade of my neck matches my face. To set the foundation, I'm going to be using a little bit of the Johnson's baby powder. I actually misplaced my loose powder, and I love using the baby powder to kind of set my makeup. It is really thin and it blends perfectly well into the skin without leaving a white cast. So it's a good alternative, like a budget friendly alternative for loose powders. I'm going to leave the powder under my eyes and let it sit for a while I'm doing my eyes. I'm taking a clear mascara or a lash base, and I'm going to be setting my eyebrows. I'm not going to be filling it in a lot. I'm going to leave it like a natural kind of look. And then for my eyes, I'm going to be taking this gel liner by L'Oreal Paris, and I'm going to be creating a shape, the shape in which I want my eye makeup to be in, and I'm going to fill it in completely with this black gel kajal. You can take your time here when you are creating the shape and when you're filling it in. Since it is a gel liner, it will kind of set into your skin very quickly and dry out, so you need to be very careful when you're applying this product. And since we are going to be creating a really bold look, most of it is going to be this kajal, so if you mess up you can actually clean it with a earbud, but then the whole look might turn untidy and it might leave a black cast all around your eyes, and it is not going to look clean. So take your time and do it slowly. After the eyes, I'm going to be like kind of blending in the powder from under my eyes, removing it off and spreading it all over my face. And then I'm going to be taking the foil eyeshadow by Makeup Revolution. This is in the kind of a copper-ish shade. I'm going to be applying this foil eyeshadow all over my eyelids where I have applied the gel liner. So exactly in the shape that I have created, I'm going to fill it in with this foil eyeshadow. I'm also taking this foil eyeshadow and applying it on my lower lash line as well, so to give it a completed look. Moving on, I'm going to be taking a pink liquid lipstick by Beromt, and I'm going to take a little bit of this onto my palette, and I'm going to use this for my graphic liner. If you have a bright pink eyeliner, it is too good, you can go ahead with that. But since I did not have a pink eyeliner exactly the shade that I wanted, so I'm going to be using this liquid lipstick instead. Since it sets matte really quickly, it worked out perfectly for me, so you can give it a try. So I'm going to be using this product and simply giving a border to the shape that I have created on my eyes, just to give a pop of color to my eyeshadow. So if you use some other shade of foil eyeshadow, it might actually accentuate the look furthermore, but I did not have any other shade, so I used the copper shade. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline with Gigi Hadid limited edition mascara. I'm going to be applying it all over my upper lashes and lower lashes, coating it really well. I'm not using a false lash over here. For the blush, I'm using the Lakmé 9 to 5 blush, and I'm applying it all over my cheeks. I'm also taking a little bit of the brown from my eyebrow palette, and I'm applying it as a contour, but very slightly though. And for my lips, I'm using the Nykaa creamy lipstick, and this is the shade Your Latte. I want to add a little bit of more dimension to my eye makeup, so I'm going to be taking these bindi stickers and placing one or two around my eye makeup, just to give it a little brighter look and to accentuate the look. And that is my completed makeup look. So the contrast between the copper and pink is actually very little, but it really does work. But if you did have some other kind of foil eyeshadows like a purple or a blue, it would have made the look a lot more accentuated and pretty. So did you like this look? Do let me know in the comment section below. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you really like this look and want to see more of such videos on my channel. Also hit on that subscribe button and the notification bell icon. Until the next time, bye bye and take care.